everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to learn how to multiply 4 times 5. So what is multiplication? Multiplication is just a quicker way to add the same number again and again. It's like saying, hey, instead of adding 4 5 times, let's just multiply. So let's say we have 4 apples on a plate. Okay? We have 4 apples on a plate. Now imagine we have 5 plates, just like that. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 plates. With 4, how many apples do we have in total? So we have 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, 4 apples. 1, 2, 3, 4. So that's 4 plus 4 plus 4 plus 4 plus 4. So again, 4 plus 4 plus 4 plus 4 plus 4. 4 plus 4 is 8 plus 4 is 12 plus 4 16 plus 4 equals 20 apples. So 4 times 5 equals 20. Another way to do 4 times 5 is by skip counting. We skip count by 4 5 times. So we have 4, 8, 12, 16, 20. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 times. Therefore, 4 times 5 equals 20. Okay, so that is how to multiply 4 times 5. Now here's the simple trick to remember. 4 times 5 is the same as 5 times 4. And that's called the commutative property of multiplication. So if you already know 5 times 4 is 20, then 4 times 5 is also 20. Okay, so it's time for your practice time. Let's try. What is 4 times 6? Okay, good luck. Now you know how to multiply 4 by 5. Keep practicing and you'll get even better.
So that's all for now. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you.